Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly please subscribe my channel and share it with your friend. Please press the bell icon and never miss any update. This is the subtopic that will be discussed today. Before that, let us recap back what you have learned during online lecture class. Atom is the smallest unit of a chemical element or compound. According to Rutherford and later on Bohr, the mass of an atom is concentrated in a tiny fraction of the atom called the nucleus, while electrons move around the nucleus in circular orbit. Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged, and neutrons are neutral. Here is the definition that you have to remember. Okay, remember that for this type of question, you have to answer it in form of statement. All the words here you must include in your answer. This is the general isotopic notation. A is stand for nuclear number. Z is stand for proton number. And X is the element symbol. Okay, now let us try to solve this problem. Okay, state the number of proton, neutron, electron, and charge in each of the following species. Okay, for the first isotopic notation, we can see that the proton number is 19. Therefore, the number of proton is 19. Okay, since the atom here has no charge, therefore the atom is neutral. Hence, the number of electron is equal to the number of proton. That is 19. As for the number of neutron, we can calculate by subtracting the nuclear number with the proton number. So we get 21. Since the atom is neutral, so the net charge is equals to 0. Okay, as for the second isotopic notation, it's present here is in form of cation, copper 2+. Okay, so the number of proton here is 29. As for the number of electron, is not equal to the number of protons. So since this is cation, where 2 electron is removed from the copper atom. Okay, so therefore number of electron is 27. Okay, how that we can calculate the number of neutron? It's very simple. Nuclear number minus proton number. The answer is 34. Okay, as for the net charge, you can write positive 2. Alright, next for the last isotopic notation. Okay, the proton number is 7. As for the number of electron, it's not equal to the proton since the ion present here is an ion. Okay, N3 minus means nitrogen gain 3 electron to become N3 minus ion. Okay, therefore the number of electron is equals to 10. Same goes to this, how that we can calculate the number of neutron. It's very simple. Nuclear number minus proton number. So it's equal to 7. As for the net charge, it is minus 3. So please remember here, when the question asks you to write the net charge, you have to write the sign first and then the number. Sign, number. As if the question asks you to write the symbol of ion, so therefore you have to write the number, then followed by the sign. Okay, next question. An element L has a nuclear number of 55. Okay, nuclear number. Okay, and then it has 30 neutrons in the nucleus. The ion derived from this element has 21 electrons. Okay, so write the isotopic notation of atom L and isotopic notation of ion L. Okay, so how that we can calculate? Okay, so it's referring to the information given to you. The nuclear number is 55, number of neutron 30, number of electron 21. However, there is no proton number. So your first step, you have to calculate the proton number. How to calculate the proton number? So nuclear number, okay, nuclear number minus number of neutron. So the number of proton is 25. Okay, so here is how you can write the isotopic notation. Okay, next, as for the isotopic notation of ion L, okay, since the number of electron is 21 and the number of proton is 25, which is greater than the number of electrons. So therefore, the ion form has positive charge, which is positive 4. So here is how you can write the isotopic notation. Okay, we move to the second question. Okay, an element M with a nuclear number of 79 has 45 neutrons in the nucleus. The ion formed by this element has 36 electrons. Write the isotopic notation of atom M and write the isotopic notation of ion M. Okay, how that we can solve this problem? First of all, you have to highlight all the data, okay, given to you. Okay, the nuclear number 79, number of neutron is 45, and number of electron 36. However, in this question, that's not given to you the proton number. So therefore, the first step, what should you do? You have to calculate the number of proton. Okay, so it's very simple. Nuclear number minus number of neutron, and number of proton is equal to 34. Okay, here how you can write the isotopic notation of atom M. Alright, next. Okay, we have for the isotopic notation of ion M, we have to compare the number of electron with the number of proton. Since the number of electron is greater than number of proton, therefore the ion is negative ion. Okay, so therefore we can write the isotopic notation of ion M is as follows. Okay, now I want you to try to answer these 3 practice questions in a test pad. Okay, after that, you have to submit to me during the next class session.